Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I'm here with my two boys. It's a boy
MJ
and a boy.
JJ.
And we are here with Who Knows Me Best Challenge. So I want to say who know mommy best. I want to say MJ know mommy more than JJ. So let's begin. Come, I could do one thumbnail. Come. Come, I could do one thumbnail. Come. Alright. Take your camera, make me face look. Oh, so Jesus. Anyway, let's begin. Let's begin. Don't looking at my book. And then the first question is, how old are me? No, me not gonna bother with that load something here. You know, have to take on us time, please.
Okay, 28.
Alright, tone of getting.
Oh dear,
One.
I don't want it.
No, me should have something for no. Right, you don't pan, but can't bother already. Anyway, next question is,
Dear, give me.
which month do I born?
November.
Hey, make me raise me on. I'm gonna raise them because I'm gonna show it out loud.
Alright, let me JJ that one.
Yeah, mommy raise them because I'm gonna show it out loud.
It's like I'm upstairs for sleep.
No, but you don't have to shout out MJ. You just say it. You just say it. And if you know, you just say it. Yeah? What's my favorite food? Yes,
Casey.
Seafood.
seafood.
Oh,
Seafood, MJ. Seafood. I love KFC too, MJ. I'll give you half a pint because I love KFC too, but that's not my favorite food. Half a pint, yeah? Next question is, stop looking at my book. Who do I love the most?
MJ. No, what
You love
about
equally.
Both of them. None more than none.
Hey.
Both of them. I love both of you guys. Okay?
We need to make it ready.
But the thing I say, here where you are going to say, I know say I'm going to say, Jake, your face.
What did you say?
What size do I wear?
Yeah, that foot.
Share in a shoes.
Oh.
40.
If I know 40 or 41.
Really now?
Yeah, no, you wear little than me.
Really now?
30.
42.
30.
And me wear lesser than you, JJ. I'm free to 42.
Me don't know if you
40.
30.
No, tell me now,
JF,
tell me now
JF.
40 now, so tell me now
JF.
other number them like
J number.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so tell me some.
Mom,
Yes.
you see a number
Yes, JJ. What size am I wear?
Yes.
You didn't run to start talk before you try to figure out what size me wear.
No, says you will.
Alright, JJ, get it. You make JJ know you want me.
I should rub me foot with 8 now, same size.
Alright then. Next question is, what's my favorite color?
Pink.
Purple.
Two of them. Love pink and me love
And we got fit.
Alright, me I give two on us. Because me love pink and me love purple.
We got fit. Me not fit them man. Me not say purple.
Who is my best friend?
Tanya.
MJ Getty. What is my favorite What is my favorite holiday?
Winter.
Sunday.
Lord Jesus, MJ says Sunday. Which holiday me love the most? Summer, Christmas.
I see
Or-
him winter.
Hmm?
I see him as winter.
Me ask you know which holiday me love the most.
Christmas.
Yes, I love Christmas. I love Christmas. Christmas.
I'm yelling, guys. We have a weird man. Let's give it 10 goals like.
Tell them again, yeah, I'm a son.
MJ, come on, time.
What is my favorite things to watch? What me love watch?
Vampire.
No, Wolf.
Vampire
Wolf.
one.
Teen Wolf.
Hmm?
We are Charlie.
Me name say show movie. What's my favorite thing?
YouTube.
Yes.
Nothing.
YouTube, JJ. YouTube. I love watch YouTube. Every day me dey on YouTube.
So, number one today. You say no, no.
MJ, come on, that game was.
Guys, you know.
What do I love the most?
Let me go love the most. Yeah, that with.
What do you love the
You
most?
know we are that with. Animal.
What me love the most? What do I love the most?
You love the most.
Yes.
Lady?
Your phone.
Yes, MJ. Oh, you know, sir.
Yeah.
My phone. I love my phone.
If this a phone that broke, it's straight. How we are this?
They say if your phone broke, me do have foot on your foot.
Every
Oh, my
phone,
lady.
every phone broke me gone.
I love my phone. All right. Next question is, who is my favorite artist?
Cynthia.
Bam.
Why? Why, MJ? I go a good man. Yes, MJ.
like you with me.
Wallem.
Like you with me.
Wallem. All right. Next question is. The question ain't done. I'm right down already. And if you think out a box. Next, which animal do I love the most?
Cat.
You make him beat you. Cat.
Eh.
I love cat. I don't like dog. I don't like no animal. Only cat.
Sometimes you don't like cat.
Sometimes you can't stand him for true.
But two cat, we have two cats and the cats are not even.
Next question now. Next question is. Why next question if you ask them now, Father God?
Ask them, how do you?
You can't tell me what you ask you. Next
You know you're
question.
inside, guys.
My father of God.
Next question is, where do I like to go the most?
Hotel bar.
Where you like go the most?
Chili.
Don't Tanya.
No, hotel bar, man.
Lord have mercy.
No, no, no. I'm here to stop you.
Where you like go the most? Kelly?
I'm here to say, Kelly, to know. I can't understand that.
I think focus time in the house. I love going away.
Yeah, you have to go hotel bar, so you stop. So I will know what they. And people, if when I'm ready out there, she's gone already.
Anyway, let's wrap up this time. Now I have no more question for you. I'm going to run out of question.
Come on, tell who win first, man.
The winner is
MJ.
What
MJ.
I even count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take an half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 1.5 over you. So, I'm going to tell them what to do. So, like, subscribe, share, turn
ring
on.
the notification bell.
When you let me know.
Notification bell.
get informed when we post another video.
Okay. Okay.
And please share. Please, we're begging you. But we get on
And share to a friend we know that love the channel.
The channel.
But please just share. But we get more than 1,000K.
You hear me, son? I beg you now. Okay. Bye.
So the channel.